Hi, I'm David, CEO, and I give DeBounce a 5. For more reviews like this, click below. We didn't actually have anything before we found DeBounce. We had been struggling with a lot of emails bouncing, and when I did some searching, I found DeBounce online and gave it a try and was very pleased with the results. Primary reason that we chose DeBounce was because it looked like a great value for the number of email addresses that we were able to confirm. We found DeBounce extremely easy to use. It was very intuitive and self-explanatory. We didn't need any assistance, and we were immediately able to validate the email addresses we were trying to validate. For anyone considering DeBounce, I strongly encourage you to check them out. Give it a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.